Hello students, this is the 2026 most repeated questions. Chemistry IPE first year. See, generally we know section B contains the 4 marker questions. The first question coming from the states of the matter chapter. It means 11th question. Second question, it means 12th question coming from the stoichiometry. The third one is the thermodynamics, 13th question. 14th question coming from the where? Chemical equilibrium. And 15th one, hydrogen and its compounds. Now 16th one, P block elements, group 30. 17th question, chemical bonding. 18th one, organic chemistry. See, now I scroll very slowly, just pause it and solve it. You have a good idea about these questions, you can leave it. You have no idea about it, you have to learn, you have to practice. You can ask any doubt regarding to this model paper. You can ask freely. Just drop the question number in a comment box. I will explain in a clean manner, in a step-by-step manner. Thank you students. Have a nice day.